Hi guys, my name is AadiTheCrazyNoMad. Welcome to my channel. If you're wondering what we do in this channel, is that we solve Rubik cubes, build Lego, and do travel vlogging. I believe everyone is familiar with the Rubik's Cube, but I think the one that almost everyone is familiar with is the 3x3. I have some of them with me, the 2x2, 3x3, 5x5, 4x4, and not exactly a cube. It's type of pentagonish thing. So today we're gonna start by solving one of these cubes, the 2x2. So let's get on with it, shall we? First thing you need to do before learning how to solve this Rubik cube is two things: the sides and the rotation. So first, let's start with the sides. So the side that you're facing will be the front side. The side that's behind the side that you're facing will be the back side. This will be the top, down, left, and right. So if you change the rotation, it will still be the same. This will be this will be the front, back, top, down, left, right. Same thing over here. Over here, over here, everything will be the same. It will still be the same. So the next thing will be rotation. So if it's on the front side, the rotation will be clockwise, and this will be counterclockwise. If it's on the right side, this will be clockwise, and this will be counterclockwise. If it's on the back side, this will be clockwise, this will be counterclockwise. If it's on the left side, this will be clockwise and counterclockwise. This will be, if it's on the top side, this will be clockwise and counterclockwise. If it's on the bottom, clockwise and counterclockwise. Now I would advise you to get familiar with the sides, so you don't have to go back into the video and look again, but then again, it's your choice. So first you need to pick a color. I'm gonna start with white, and I wish you would do the same, so it will kind of be like we're falling together on the sides. So this first you need to choose two colors on the bottom of the side that you chose. So this will be blue and this is white. So what you need to do is get another color that is either white blue or white red. I'm looking for it and I found white blue. Now before you change it, you need to position it over here. Over on the bottom side over here. See? So but instead, if it was red, white, then you have to position over here. Same thing with any color that you chose. So I'm gonna position it over here, and it's not like regular form. So there will be three scenarios for you, and this is the second scenario. Sorry, I didn't get the first scenario right now, so I'm gonna start with the second one. This will be, what you need to do is bring the white over here so it will match the blue and blue and the white and white. So first, I'm gonna show you a demo on what will happen if you bring it up here. It will still be the same. So what you need to do is move this out of the way, or move this out of the way of this one. So I'm gonna go with moving this one out of the way. So first, what you move it out of the way. Okay, this is sometimes okay, so do clockwise back. Counterclockwise back, and then you should go with left counterclockwise. Now the back clockwise, and voila, you joined or aligned the two colors together. Now I found the red and white, and you need to bring it over here just like we did it over there. and this will be an excellent way on the counter scenario of this one. So you do the same thing again, so except do it in an opposite way. So white needs to go over here, or I position it back like this, and you see this one, you move it out of the way. If you move it over here, then it won't be in the right place, see? So you have to move it in the other way. So it should go clockwise, back, right, counterclockwise, no wait, right, clockwise, back, counterclockwise, and you fix this one. Fix these three sides and align them. So this is the third scenario where this one is on the back. So all you need to do, it's similar to this one. You move this out of the way, bring this up 2 times though, and put this side over here, and now you have it like this. Now you do the same thing over here and see, now you aligned all the colors over here and do the same thing. So but if it was over here, let me make the other scenario. Sorry, it's this. Okay. Okay, this is gonna take some time. So this is the other scenario I talked about, and this one is actually very easy. You just need to bring it up and you're done. So now this is in the second scenario, and please fix it, and we're done. Now you're done with the white, your first face, and you aligned all the colors in the right order. Now what you need to do is flip it to the opposite side, and that is yellow. As you can see here, you have currently none over here, and the scenario that you need to have is having one piece of yellow in either side, and I'll give you more details about it later. First, let's start with the algorithm. You just choose any other side and start there. So what you need to do is get the right, do it right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top clockwise 2 times until it's aligned over here, and you bring it down. So as you can see right now, you have the yellow over here. You put one yellow in either side over here. So what you need to do is align the yellow over here. So you rotate the cube and you have it over here. So now let's do the step again. So right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top clockwise 2 times, and it's aligned, and voila, you see, you fix this cube. Now there will be another way of solving it, and I will just show you right now. Okay, so the other scenario will be the yellow over here, and there's no yellow over here. So what you need to do is don't panic and do the step again. So over here, right clockwise, top clockwise, right, counterclockwise, top, clockwise, right, clockwise, top, clockwise 2 times, and down you go. As you can see, you put the white over here, and when you spin it around and put it over here on this side, you see that you have a yellow over here and a yellow over here. And now you already know that you just have to do the step again and you fix it. But right now I will show you another scenario. Another possibility that will happen. So yellow and yellow will be here, and yellow over here. This is not bad actually. You just need to keep on doing it till you get either this or the scenario before, or the possibility before it. So and then when you do it, when you get either 2 of these, you just do the step again. So right, clockwise, top, clockwise, right, counterclockwise, top, clockwise, right, clockwise, top, clockwise 2 times, and bring it down. Now you fix it. Now this is the way it actually should be. Now what you need to do is the third the third algorithm that you need to learn. So now, as you can see, now you fix the yellow and white and lined it right in the right order over here, and fix the yellow on the top. But now, as you can see, these 2 pieces are misplaced. So of the way of fixing it is that you need to learn the third algorithm, and it's the hardest one, so I suggest that you listen. So first you get the right side and do spin it counterclockwise. Now you get the front and spin it clockwise, right, counterclockwise, back, clockwise 2 times, front, clockwise, front, counterclockwise, right, counterclockwise, back, clockwise 2 times, and right, clockwise 2 times. And now you have fixed 2 sides over here, and what you need to do is align it with the red one, with the color that was fixed. And now, as you can see, you removed the you switched the pieces that used to be like this, and changed one over here. And now all you need to do is do the algorithm again. Right, counterclockwise, front, clockwise, right, counterclockwise, back, clockwise 2 times, right, clockwise, front, counterclockwise, and right, counterclockwise, back, clockwise 2 times, and right, clockwise 2 times. And all you need to do is align this color that's facing you on the top and align it with the color that matches. And now you fix the Rubik's Cube. I hope you guys found a good, interesting way on how to solve this 2x2 Rubik's Cube. If you guys didn't, just comment me on the comments below and I will try to help you. This is going to be the end of today's video, and see you on the next one. Bye.